Hello and welcome to Edupedia World, the one-stop shop for all your learning needs. In today's Hindi session, we are going to proceed with genders. In today's session, we will also understand how the gender of a non-living object changes the way the word is used to denote it. Let's take an example. Bhai. Now in this case, we have started out with a living object, that is a living person, bhai, living thing, bhai. Okay, it's a male. So, यह मेरा बड़ा भाई है. He is my elder brother. Now, bada means elder in this case, denotes bhai, brother. So, he is my elder brother changes to यह मेरा बड़ा भाई है. बड़ा for भाई, a ending बड़ा, भाई. Now let's take a look at the example of a female, that is बहन, sister. Now यह मेरा बड़ा भाई है was for male, right? For my elder brother. Now if I have to talk about my elder sister, यह मेरी बड़ी बहन है. Now बड़ा changes to बड़ी in case of a female. Apart from that, I'm using the possessive noun मेरा, my, right? So for this possession, मेरा बड़ा भाई, and here do you see मेरी बड़ी बहन. Do you get the difference? That is how the words change to support the gender. The words have to be in agreement with the gender. यह मेरा बड़ा भाई है, यह मेरी बड़ी बहन है. Now this was in case of living beings. Now chair, kursi is non-living, isn't it? To use the word chair in a sentence, you need to know its gender to form a correct sentence. Here, kursi is a female. So, if I have to simply say this is my chair, in Hindi, यह कुर्सी मेरी है. Just like मेरी बहन, यह मेरी बड़ी बहन है. On similar lines, I will be saying यह कुर्सी, कुर्सी being female, मेरी takes the shape, my takes the shape of मेरी. It's not मेरा कुर्सी, because kursi is not a male. Kursi is a female. Hence, यह कुर्सी मेरी है. Okay? Then, let's go on to what is bed called in Hindi. Bed is Bistar. Now, Bistar is male. Just like how we said, यह कुर्सी मेरी है. Now, for Bistar, it being a male, we will have to say, यह बिस्तर मेरा है. Kursi was a female, so मेरी है. Bistar, bed, is a male, so यह बिस्तर मेरा है. A ending. For a male gender, A ending मेरा, तेरा, तुम्हारा, right? बड़ा. And for female, feminine, it will be E ending, मेरी, तुम्हारी, बड़ी. Yes? Then let's take a little further. Now this was simply straight jacketing ourselves just to यह कुर्सी मेरी है and यह बिस्तर मेरा है. Now if I want to talk a little bit further about the bistar, right? If I want to describe the bistar, the bed, a little more, this bed is very beautiful. Now in Hindi, bistar being male, sundar is beautiful. Bada hi sundar means very beautiful. Okay, सो यह बिस्तर बड़ा ही सुंदर है. You don't say बड़ी ही सुंदर है. बड़ा is for the बिस्तर. बड़ा ही सुंदर है. Okay, so this बड़ा और बड़ी will change as per the noun, the gender of the noun being described. यह बिस्तर बड़ा ही सुंदर है. Okay, then कपड़ा, कपड़ा, कपड़ा is cloth. It is male. यह कपड़ा यहाँ क्यों रखा है? Why is this cloth kept here? यह कपड़ा यहाँ, यहाँ is here. यह कपड़ा, this cloth. क्यों? Why? रखा है. रखना is to keep. यह कपड़ा यहाँ क्यों रखा है? Now it's not रखी है. Understand here, रखा, this verb goes for कपड़ा. So यह कपड़ा यहाँ क्यों रखा है? Now take the example of a book, Pustak, which is female. The same question changes like this. Why is this book kept here? यह पुस्तक यहाँ क्यों रखी है? यह पुस्तक यहाँ क्यों रखी है? पुस्तक is a female. So रखा, the verb रखा from the original word रखना, रखा, रखी. So for a कपड़ा you will say यहाँ क्यों रखा है. For a पुस्तक you will say यह पुस्तक यहाँ क्यों रखी है? रखी, रखा changes to रखी. Okay, why is this kept here? रखना means to keep. Then darwaza, darwaza means door, male. दरवाजा खुला है. The door is open. It's not खुली है. दरवाजा खुला है. खुला a ending because darwaza is male. Hope you are understanding. Slowly, as and how you come across sentences, try and analyze the logic used behind it, and I'm sure you're going to get it in the right manner. Then, this is a unique case. Haathi is elephant, male. Now just don't go by the E ending for Haathi. It is still a male. Okay? So, just keep this example very clearly in mind. Haathi is an elephant, a male elephant. Okay? Hathni is female. So, the elephant is coming towards you. You say, Haathi aa raha hai. Haathi aa raha hai, not aa rahi hai. Haathi is a male. Okay? So, Haathi aa raha hai. Now, Railgaadi means train. Okay? The train. Now, Railgaadi is a female. It's feminine gender. In this case, the train is arriving. If you have to say, Railgaadi aa rahi hai. The train is coming. The train is approaching. The train is arriving. Okay? Railgaadi aa rahi hai. Got it? Then, masala. Masala is spice. Any particular spice. Actually, masalas are ground by using multiple spices. Okay? Now, if I have to put one particular type of masala, the plural of masala is masale. Okay? So, if I have to say, have you put the, I'm purposely using the word masala here because you can't say just spice. It will be very, it can't be completely transliterated. Please understand this. So, तुमने मसाला डाला है क्या? Now, masala being masculine gender, male, you will put not डाली है क्या. तुमने मसाला डाला है क्या? Have you put the masala? तुमने, you. I'm talking to somebody of my age or some very close relative of mine. So I'm saying तुमने. If I'm talking to an elderly person, and I'll say आपने मसाला डाला है क्या? Got it? But the dala doesn't change to dali or something else for one masala. Okay? Now let's restrict the conversation only for singular, not going to plural. We will tackle plurals later on. Okay? So, this was regarding masala. Okay? Now, Desh. Desh means country. Remember Desh Videsh, the session that we had done? So Desh means country, and Desh takes the form of a male, masculine gender, basically. Okay? So, यह मेरा देश है. This is my country. यह मेरी देश है is incorrect. Desh being male, Desh being the masculine gender, it will become यह मेरा देश है. This is my country. Okay? And Mitti. Mitti means soil. Desh and Mitti for an Indian can never be apart. They are always together. So, मिट्टी की खुशबू आई है. This is especially when with the start of the rain, you have a very special fragrance of the soil. Even otherwise, a person of an Indian origin returning to his homeland loves the soil that he puts his feet on. So mitti is a very special word for an Indian. Mitti ki khushbu. It's the soil of the homeland. So, mitti ki khushbu aayi hai. The fragrance of the soil is felt. So you can remember it like this. Desh takes the male form and mitti takes the female form, complementing one another. That is another way of remembering. So, यह मेरा देश है. You will say मेरा. And मिट्टी की खुशबू not आया है, because it is not a male, it is a female. So, मिट्टी की खुशबू आई है. Okay? आई है. Remember, just like mitti is another word, rhyming word, chitti. It's just that th, not t, chitti. So if I have to say chitti is letter. Chitti aayi hai. The letter has come, the letter has arrived. Chitti aayi hai. Mitti ki khushbu aayi hai. Of course, the meanings of these two sentences are quite different, but they are rhyming, so it will be easier for you to remember one more word in this bracket. Okay? So keep looking out for genders when you are using them, using any word, using any words in the sentences. When you use a word, try to understand its gender and conjugate it appropriately. Keep reading, keep watching, keep listening to Hindi, and you will get these syntaxes automatically. Okay? So hope you learned a little more about genders, and thank you for watching this video. Hindi में कहूँगी धन्यवाद.